everyone. Let me just check that we are live.
Yep, we
You
are.
can start. Where are you coming from? Yes, we are live. Sweet. Hey, Akshara, how are you? Where are you?
Hi, I'm in office today, London Salesforce Star.
Nice. How is it?
It's good if you can see the view. It's amazing.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Nice. Which floor are you in?
28th. Yeah,
Pretty high.
pretty high. Yeah, the view is amazing. Also the food.
Nice. Hi,
Hey,
is anyone there? Did anyone join already? Can you all hear us? Give us some signs that you are there.
let me check this one.
Yes, we have someone. Hello from
Oh,
Spain. Hi.
hi.
Sweet. Okay, I guess it's just like people are just joining and stuff.
Joining. Yeah, I think we should give them some time before we get started.
Yes.
Yeah.
All
Hi,
right.
Sneha.
Yes.
Hi, Mazhar. Okay, there are people joining. Nice.
All right. Awesome. Where are you coming from? What is your time zone? Right now it's 10:30 in the morning here. Akshara?
For me, it's 3:30 in the afternoon, and I'm feeling sleepy after my lunch.
All right, we're getting more people. Awesome.
Yep.
Hello. Hi, all from India. Hello
Hi.
from Cameroon. Is that how you pronounce it?
Yep.
Machu Picchu. Oh my God. That's so awesome. Hello from
Hi.
India.
I'm glad people from India are joining today because we have festival today, Raksha Bandhan.
Oh, nice.
Yep.
What is it about?
It's more about like it's called as Rakhi. It's about brother and sister's relation kind of thing. It's a sweet one. Yeah, it's nice. I'm missing it. Truly missing it.
Okay. I have been working a lot with GitHub CI/CD. Yeah, I just started working on it, so I will continue working on it to see how it goes. But yes, it's fun so far.
It's
Hi.
definitely fun. Hi.
Alrighty. I think we can get started. Akshara, do you want to go ahead?
Yep. I would love to. Thank you. So before we get started with our technical stuff with Alex mainly, so before that, maybe we can just have some brief announcements about what's going on and what's coming for you guys. So to begin with, the first one being the Mules of Mentors program. So that's back and it's back and revamped in a better style. So we have a new website, and you all should definitely have a look at it. How amazing it is, and which is portraying all the mentors, what activities they have been doing, and how you can participate and become a mentor as well. So it's very simple process, and it's actually a stepping stone if you want to be someone in leading in the community, maybe in terms of mules of leader, ambassador, or if you want to contribute more towards MuleSoft in terms of blogs, videos, or just helping, just being a mentor itself. So yeah, you can just get started with the journey, your MuleSoft mentoring journey itself. And I'll be sharing the link in a comment section. The second one is like we have been writing a book, Alex, me, and Arun, and a few more members from a community, Gaurav and Rajesh. They have been like technical reviewers. So this book is about MuleSoft for Salesforce developers, and it's pretty much everyone who wants to get started with the MuleSoft journey. I mean, beginning with the MuleSoft journey as such. So I'll be just sharing the links. It's currently available for pre-orders, and it will be releasing like next month. So do share with your friends, colleagues, networks, and stuff. Like it will be really helpful for us. Like thank you in advance. And the third one is, as you all know, like we have a Dreamforce coming in. So make sure, I mean, if you can attend in person, it's really great. And we have some discount codes for you, like 20% off. So do avail the discounts and grab them as soon as you can. Like it's going to be amazing, huge event in San Francisco. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it from our end. Also, one more thing, if you're interested in getting on a Twitch stream next time with some technical stuff which you have experimented, implemented in your maybe daily project at your work or something like that, and you would love to share your experience with the community, do feel free to reach out to us, like me or Alex, or LinkedIn, Slack, anywhere. We are always there for you. That's it from my side. Thank you. Alex, you're there?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah. All
Great,
right.
thank
So,
you.
what are we doing today?
Um, so I already had a project. I'm trying to
Mm-hmm.
open it. Where I was trying to do like a DataWeave library and
Mm-hmm.
then just trying to set it up with GitHub Actions. So,
Oh,
okay, let
wow.
me share my screen.
That sounds something new and interesting. Wow. I'm looking forward to it.
All right, share. Sweet. And just really quickly, someone asked, can this be recorded and posted in YouTube? It's not in YouTube,
Yeah,
but
but
it's
it's
on
on
Twitch.
Twitch. And also on
So
LinkedIn, we'll be finding it here.
yeah, all of the recordings are in our Twitch channel right there. So twitch.tv/MuleSoft underscore community. You will find all of our previous streams right there. They're also on LinkedIn, but it's kind of weird to browse on LinkedIn. So you can just go to Twitch and see them there. We still have people saying hi from Portugal. Hi, Sudir. Hi, Kiran. Oh, Akshara dropped. All right. So yes, what we were doing last, I saw you. Oh, Akshara is back. Hey,
Okay.
Akshara.
Yeah, sorry. I wasn't able to share the my stuff. I mean, the links in the comment section.
Yes. Can you?
Can you,
No.
can you let me try? No, I still cannot.
Oh. Uh,
I think I have to log in or something.
oh, yeah, probably. But that's fine. We have the
Hmm.
link here, right there.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Alrighty. So yes, we were doing this thing. So first, I'm gonna show you the GitHub Actions one that I did. Um, I always, every time that I show this, I want to just give thanks to Archana because she created all of these resources. There's a video tutorial here from Friends of Max, and there is the original repository where she had the GitHub Actions there. I just kind of copied that and personalized it for my use case, but you can just go and see hers as well. There's a GitHub repo, github.com/Alexander Martinez /GitHub Actions. Oh, there it is, Akshara. Mentors program.
Yeah.
All right. Um, and then I also did two Twitch streams to create this GitHub repo. This is a part one and this is a part two. The part one is mainly going to be kind of at the end because at the beginning I was just trying to do some stuff that didn't work out. But by the end of the stream, I was able to get it right. And then on the part two, when I started, it was oh, you only see a black screen. Can you
Yeah,
all
I
see my
can see.
screen?
Yeah, we can see the Twitch part one, part two.
Okay.
Uh,
Yeah, we are sharing, so I'm not sure. Maybe you can just rejoin to see if you can see it better.
Meanwhile, I've just shared a few links: the
Oh,
mentors program, the book, and the Salesforce one. Sorry, that's all from mine.
that's fine. That's fine. Alrighty, there are all the links. Okay. I'm gonna leave the links right there for some time so people can go to them. And I'm just gonna continue for now. So yes, there are the two Twitch streams. Part two, I did half and half. Half of it was with this repo, and the other half was with the new repo that I'm gonna show you. But yes, here we have the GitHub Actions that already worked. So here in the build.yaml file, here is all of the settings for the pipeline. So now I started this one, DataWeave Utilities Library, because I already had a DataWeave Utilities library that, well, not a library, just a DataWeave Utilities file that I had that was working for me. So now I wanted to create a repo with this library. But the first thing that I noticed, hi, Edgar, how are you? The first thing that
Right.
I noticed was that when you have the library folder inside the
Mhm.
repository folder, it kind of doesn't work that well. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to move this folder to be the main folder and so on, because this didn't work as well. And I'm not sure if that's going to mess up my CI/CD pipeline. So, oh,
So, Alex,
where?
just a quick question here. Like, what actually do you mean by DataWeave Utilities Library? What is it actually containing? Can you just open that?
Yes, here's my library. So
Okay.
I have here in source main DW, the utilities.dwl.
Mm-hmm.
And this is what the library is actually doing. So there, I have different functions. This is just like the same thing that I took from my other folder. Is like, for example, get object, get number, get array. And I actually have a mapping here. Yes. Where I was trying to test it to make sure it worked. Yeah. So, for example, if I want to use the get string function from my utilities library, and I do get string, but then this is a null, um, then this is going to return a null. Oh, sorry. Enable auto
Okay.
preview. There. This is going to return a null. And then if I have, for example, true, this is going to return a string true, and so on. So this is going to try to coerce the type that I put here, 2020 0101. This is a date. So it's going to transform the date into a string and so on because I'm using the get string function. But if I have a null here, then it's just going to return a null. So this way I can do default and then this other thing in case a null comes, because I had to use this in a lot of other projects. But then people started using it as well. So I thought, hey, why not make a library out of it and see how it works? So
Yeah,
that
that's
is
really
what
cool.
the utilities is doing. So there is get object, get number, get array, get string, get date. And then here are other functions that kind of work with these functions. So for example, with the get date, first it checks if the value is actually a date. And if it is a date, then it does value as date. Else it returns null. So that's how it works basically. Um,
Cool.
so I still have to add the documentation, the unit testing, and everything, but I'm just gonna focus on creating the CI/CD for now. So this is how this works. I'm gonna disable our preview, close this, and yes, so that is my library. But as you can see here, I am inside my library, because then things can get weird when you try to do the preview from another folder that is not the main folder, then it gets weird. So I'm
I've
just
seen
gonna
that last
try.
time.
Yes, exactly. So I'm just gonna try to do this again from my repo folder and kind of like copy all of these over. So how do I open a new window? Is it from here? Yes. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna move these here. Have so many Visual Studio things. Okay. And now I'm gonna open my actual repo, which was Data with Utilities library here. So here is the repo that you just saw. Is the Data with Utilities library on top, and then I have the folder Utilities library, and then I'm just gonna try to do it again to see if it works or not. So this is what happened with the error when you go into, yes, it's already sending me errors. When you go into the mapping, but you are inside of another folder, then you're going to get these kinds of errors because you're not on the main folder. As opposed to when I'm here, I can just run the mapping correctly and it
Mhm.
doesn't give me any errors. So that's a thing that I don't want to happen. So I'm gonna move the library, like all of these things, from here to the main folder and see if it works. All right, so this is empty now. I can remove it. Okay, so now everything is here in my main folder. You have the utilities, I have the test, my mapping. It's not working so far. No. All right. What if I close it and reopen it? Yeah, let's try that. Okay, new window. I don't want to update. Leave me alone. DataWeave Utilities Library. Okay. Okay. All right. No errors so far. Yay. Okay. So that worked. Let me
It
just
works.
try it again.
Restarting always works.
Right? Oh, yes. I know,
That's the
right?
ultimate tanja thing. Yeah.
Yeah, no matter what you're doing in your
No matter
career,
what
you
you're
can
doing,
always, yes, you can always
always
restart.
restart.
All right, sweet. So this is working. I wonder if my POM XML, oh, I will have to update these. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Utilities library. Okay. Yes, everything is still okay. All right, so let me update my group ID first. Um, where in the world? Oh, here. Anypoint.mulesoft.com. It's fine now. No. Okay, so I still have this. Yes, and how many days? Oh, I have 9 days until this ends. Cool. So, do I already have something in exchange? This was for Flex Gateway. Okay. So let me get my org ID. And actually, I always use this plugin for Chrome because it's just so convenient.
Yeah, it
Oh,
is.
wait, is this my org ID or just the environment? Does it work though?
Yeah, let's try.
Yeah, we can try.
Can you share the link to the plugin as well? It will be really helpful.
Yes, hold on. Okay, there. Huh. Maybe that it should be nice to have like a copy button. Edgar, if you're watching, it would be nice to have a copy button so you don't have to do this thing. Okay. Yes, if you look for any point platform Chrome extension,
Okay, cool.
is the first that you get from chrome.google.com,
Okay,
and you can just install it. And it was created by Edgar. So
wow.
kudos. Thank you, Edgar. This is super helpful.
Thank you. It is.
Alrighty. So yes, I copied that. Now let me put it here. Oh, it is the same. So I already had this account. Cool.
Oh,
So
yeah.
okay, this is the only thing that I've done so far, I believe.
And this project is also available on GitHub, right? The link you have shared. Yep.
Yes. Yes. Let me share the
Cool.
link. Oh
I'll
wait, I
share
can
again.
close
Yep.
this now.
Yeah, I
Oh,
did share again.
oh, that was the other one. Sorry, I missed this
Oh,
one.
okay.
So this is the DataWeave libraries, utility libraries. There. github.com, Alexandra Martinez, DataWeave Utilities Library.
Great.
Sweet. So, oh, I don't need this anymore. Okay, so I did that. I wonder if I should do this now. Okay, let me see the tutorial because I know there was something to do with
Okay,
that,
we are
but I don't know how to bring my
sorry. You are
tutorials.
breaking, Alex. I mean, we couldn't hear you for a while. But it's fine now. Hello. Hi. Can you hear us?
Can you hear me now?
I mean, can you hear me? Yeah.
I can hear,
Okay, we lost you in between.
but can you hear me now?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. So
I think,
update the POM XML. I did that again.
yeah, again.
Mm, all right. I don't know what to do.
Now it's better, I guess. You can start. You can continue.
Okay. Then we have to uncomment the distribution management and the exchange repo. Okay, so yes, these two, distribution management. And then I had to update the organization ID here. Oops. Oh. Oh, thank you. Yes, that's a tutorial. Ah. Okay, let me copy the organization ID that I already pasted here. And now I have to put it here, an organization ID. And then the exchange, this one, exchange repo and organization ID here. All right. So, okay, I did those two. I replaced the organization ID. Then I have to add credentials in the settings.xml file. So this is where I have to change this in GitHub Actions, I believe. Okay, so let me copy this thing and put it in my repo. So .github, then workflows, then build. So here I need a new folder .github, and then workflows folder, workflows, and then build.yaml. Okay, so here's a workflow now. And I believe.
Can you just walk us through the workflow? Like, what is it exactly doing?
Sure. So the name of the workflow is just build and deploy to Sandbox. And then this is going to trigger anytime that there is a push in main or that there is a pull request that got merged in main. And then we have the first job, which is called build. This is the first job. Can you see my screen? Yeah, right.
Yeah, we can.
And this will run on Ubuntu. Then the first step is to check out this repository that I am in right now and put it in the Ubuntu VM, I guess. And then it's going to cache the dependencies. So all of the M2 things that go into M2 repo are going to be cached into that machine. Then it's going to set up JDK 1.8 so we can use it to do everything with Maven. Then it's going to build the project. So Maven package, and then it's going to use the POM XML file. then it's going to change the name of the jar that is created, and it will add the first digits of the commit into the jar. So when you go to this was for runtime manager. So when you go to runtime manager, you would see the jar name of the commit, so you know which commit was
Got it.
deployed. Then you
Mm-hmm.
will upload the jar file to somewhere. I didn't understand this part, to be honest. And that's the end of the first job. And then the second job is to deploy.
Mm-hmm.
So first, again, check out the repo, cache the dependencies from Maven, and then you're going to download the artifact, the jar file that we uploaded in the first job. And then it just deploys the sandbox using the username and password from Anypoint platform, which is on GitHub. So you don't have to put them here for security reasons. And finally, it just
Makes
runs
sense.
and does the Maven deploy, and that's it.
That's cool.
Yes, but this is for runtime manager, so I have to figure out how to change it to match the other thing. So this tutorial.
Yeah.
So the first thing, this I think it can be the same as this because it's just the Anypoint username and Anypoint password. So we can just keep this. Um, I wonder if we need to change something. Maybe not. Okay. So this is running Maven deploy as well. So this is also Maven deploy. I wonder what this means, the mule deploy. Because this is the artifact name and the
That is,
artifact.
yeah. So that is basically the command which we give whenever we're deploying. It comes along with, like, even for CI/CD, like when I was working with the Azure DevOps, right? So we will deploy and all. There are different. It's basically for a deployment thing. What we call it as it comes with Maven plugin, the Maven commands basically. So the deployment
Okay,
instructions. Yeah,
but that won't work for the DataWeave
that will
library.
work. That should be working. Let's try. I mean, you have tried this thing right before.
Yes, but for a mule application, not
Mule
for a DataWeave
application.
extension.
Oh,
DataWeave library,
okay.
sorry.
So I think it won't work for because that's only for cloud app deployment, as far as I remember. But we can try.
So the thing is
Let
that
me search.
this is expecting an artifact that is a dot jar, and this is not a dot jar, I think.
Hmm. Yeah, that's not dot jar. That's true. But you can try running the project and let's see what error we are getting, so we can change accordingly.
Oh, well, yeah, that's true. Okay, let's try to do this then. Save my bomb, save my build, and then I have to set up my. Where is this? Oh no, this is the GitHub Actions here. So settings, oops, secrets, actions, new secret. Okay, and what was the name? Build. Oh, Anypoint platform username.
Mhm.
This was a Martinez 9. Oops. That's secret. Cool. And now Anypoint platform password. Hi, Satish. New repository secret, Anypoint platform password. And I'm going to do this on another screen. Secret. Cool. All right. So we have both username and password, and that was it, if I remember correctly. Let me just check the settings
Mhm.
from the other repo. Yes, that was it. All right. So there's that. And now let me commit all of my changes. And I will use GitHub Desktop because I can. Okay. So there's the build, the POM XML, the utilities. Oh, because I moved it, the mapping, and then I removed all of these.
Okay.
Sweet. So changes. Commit to main, push. Awesome. So
Can you
now
share the
this should.
tutorial link again? I think I've shared the older one.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, you're right. Okay. Mm-hmm. There.
Cool. Thank you.
All right. So this is running now. Actions, changes. Okay. First is gonna try to do the build. So the build with Maven. Actually, since here it might fail, right? Can we do package with the DataWeave?
Yeah,
Oh, it worked.
it
Okay.
worked.
Let's
But
see
for
the
deploying,
deploy. Okay. Are you sure that we can do it with Maven? I am sure. In order to deploy DW project, I guess we should use Anypoint CLI instead of Maven. I am 100% sure that it can be done with Maven because in the tutorial we did it with Maven. If you can see here, you just have to run the Maven command, which is just Maven deploy. And this sends all of your library to Exchange, as you can see here. So yes, I am sure. I have tried it. I just don't know how to set it up in a CI/CD pipeline. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. Okay. Ah, there's the error.
we got some error.
Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Fail to execute goal. Default exchange pre-deploy on project. Exchange publication failed, unexpected error while processing the publication. Okay.
Okay, the artifaction. Um, do you think we should be removing the deploy, mule deploy,
I don't know, I guess.
and we
Because
can try
again,
without that?
the thing is that we don't really need the build.
Yeah, that's true.
So maybe we can just do everything in just one job instead of,
Package.
yeah. Okay, let's try that. Let me remove. Oh, okay. Let me remove then all of the jar and the build with Maven.
Let's
And
just comment.
then
Okay.
I'm just gonna remove it. And then until here. Right? Yes. Yeah, we have the cache dependencies and then download artifact. We don't need this one as well. Then deploy to sandbox. Okay. I don't know if we need the artifact name. I'm gonna comment this one. Oh, can't. There. And then just Maven deploy. I don't know if we should leave this one or this one.
Yeah, we can.
Because again, in the tutorial, we're just doing Maven deploy. So I'm not
Let's remove
sure.
the other one. Mule deploy.
Okay. All right, let's leave it like that to see if that works. Hopefully. Okay, where is my GitHub Actions? Here. GitHub Actions, my my GitHub desktop. Yes, commit to main, push. Okay. So it should be here now. And actions. Oh, it already failed.
Oh,
Invalid workflow file. Oh, there's an error
there's
in
some
my
issue with the
syntax.
yep,
Okay.
some comments.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna remove all of this. I have the other file anyway. What was it? Oh no, that's fine. What is this tiny red arrow?
Um,
Oh. Oh, it's just the change that I did. Okay, so let me send that then. Yes, push. Okay, this one is processing now. Hello, Simon. I just saw your message.
hi.
Okay, this one is running now.
It's deploying.
Please work. I don't have anything in my exchange yet.
So you can refresh maybe. Just see.
No, it hasn't done that yet. I think it's still doing the JDK.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay, failed. Oh no,
Oh,
it failed on the deploy.
just
Okay.
failed deploy.
Okay. Well, it just says failed.
So I think we should add back that this thing, the minus d deploy, not minus, the hyphen d deploy.
Okay.
Or and let's
Yeah.
just try with that.
Yes. I'm not sure what it does. Maybe I should search for that. Okay.
It's basically for mule deployment, but let me just search for that as well. Yeah, it's only for CloudHub, or it can be for all of them.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let's try it. Okay.
Yeah, it's basically for deploying mule jars using mule Maven plugin. I'm not sure how it will be for DataWeave.
Maybe it doesn't apply because it's not a jar, but we'll see.
Yeah, that's how we explore.
And then the other thing that I noticed
Yeah, it's not for
was,
jar, it's for, sorry,
yep,
go ahead. So it's basically for pom.xml, and we have pom, right?
okay.
Let me just share the link with you.
Yeah.
And everyone from our audience as well. If anyone gets any clue, or if you think of something unique out of the box,
Can I copy
this is
it?
gonna be it.
Oh, what did I do? I can't copy. Okay. Docs, MuleSoft, MMP
Mule runtime.
concept.
Yep, the same first one. So if you just scroll down,
Okay, it failed again. Here it is. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
To deploy
So,
using the deployment strategy. If the parameter is not set, the plugin uploads the artifact to the repository defined in the distribution management. Oh, well, that's cool because we have that. So we don't
mm,
actually need that. Okay. So we can just ignore that then. But what was the error now? It just says failed, but it doesn't say anything.
so which Maven version are you using?
Maybe what? Sorry?
Maven version?
Huh. Um, I have no idea.
Maybe you can just go to the POM and see how it is.
Oh, I see. I see. Bum. No.
Scroll a bit down. Okay.
The Maven plugin is 3030.
That's a DataWeave Maven plugin. Okay, I'm not aware about this one. I was talking about the new Maven plugin and stuff. We don't have that, right?
I don't see it.
Yeah, but we should be having that because this is if you're using
But
the new Maven commands.
but this works if you do it locally though.
Mm-hmm.
So I've
Oh.
tried this before and it works just by running Maven deploy, but you have to set up your settings.xml like this.
Mm-hmm.
The other thing that I can think of is that the this ID says exchange and it has to match with the other ones that you have here. So if I remember correctly, in the other ones, they're not like that. So let me. Here. For example, there is a circuit breaker policy tutorial that we have, and that settings.xml says something different. Where is it? Here. It says exchange server,
Server.
not just exchange.
Yeah, the exchange server it would be like, but you have to give your. We have given right the anypoint exchange server's basically credentials. It will be the
Yes,
same credentials as yeah the anypoint
but
platform.
the
Because I
difference.
remember we used to do the same thing when we are uploading the custom policy as well. The steps were quite similar.
So the
So we are
difference is
publishing
that
it to exchange. Yeah.
here it says exchange and not exchange server, and
Mhm.
these have to match with what you have in the settings.xml. And
Okay.
then here in the other one, there was this part in the other file that I did not quite understand what it was doing. So I just removed it and it still worked. So I don't know. Edgar, is in your
Is a
Maven
Maven?
command the option S to specify the settings file? No, because we are
No.
just sending the
But
username and password like this.
you can mention hyphen s and then you can give the path to your settings file or something. So it can.
But we don't have a settings though. If I put my settings XML, then I will
Okay.
have to put my credentials, and I don't want to do that.
Mm-hmm.
So my only thing is how do I put the ID, this repository ID?
You can put it
Um,
in.
yeah.
Sure. I don't know.
So the servers, I need to add the ID for the server as exchange. And this is what this was doing.
Mm-hmm.
But then Okay, I guess I can just put that to see if it works. Probably we need to
Uh,
place settings.xml file into repo and reference to this file in the command. Well, that's what Edgar was saying. The thing is that if I put my settings.xml, I will have to put my credentials,
credential.
and I don't want to do that. Um, so let me just try this. So it's after the JDK here. Okay, so this is basically doing the server's ID, username, and password. And this ID is exchange. Okay. And and removing them, you'll deploy. So maybe I don't need these two anymore, but I can check that later. All right. Actions. All right. It's running.
Fingers crossed.
It is the same, right? Yeah, it is the same.
Yeah.
Okay. Please work. Please work. Please work. Please, please.
Let's see anything else that we can do maybe meanwhile.
Sorry?
Maybe we can just go through the post if there's anything else we can do. But we are not using real Maven plugin, so I think that MNB concept would be applicable, right?
I guess.
Mm.
Is there a DataWeave Maven plugin? Mm,
No,
I don't see the docs for that.
it will take some time.
Ah, failed. Right? Yeah. Ah, um, default deploy docs.
Is
Oh,
that
we have
the name,
something
right?
different. Of goal, DataWeave Maven plugin, deploy docs, failed, illegal state exception, injection manager not found. Well, that still doesn't tell me anything. Let's see
Let's
this.
see. Yeah.
Oh, it was trying to publish and then it failed. Oh, I think because of the name.
Something, yeah, or something it's not able to find or something like that. Just see.
Hmm, change
There
markup.
are no issues with building. It was trying to deploy, but maybe something with deployment. So are we giving the proper exchange organization ID and stuff, and also yeah, the
Oh,
organization
look.
ID, the one which you copied. Oh, it's there. Okay,
Yeah.
but then why is it saying fail? Okay,
So,
some permission issues or something
okay,
like
so there's
that.
nothing there.
It
Huh.
has created, but it needs to upload. Mm,
Okay. Draft page utilities. Oh, maybe because I don't have any Documentation.
You can generate it from your right? Generate it in documentation. Yeah, just try that.
Yeah.
And
Okay,
let's
let me
try it
just
now.
add one just to see if that works.
Hmm.
Okay. Yay, I'm so happy. Okay.
That was fun.
Oh, and almost on time. We still have 10 minutes to make it work. Come on, come on. Oh no. Damn it. We're so close. Okay. I think it was the
Publish.
same.
Pub- but there are errors for publishing draft page utilities. Um,
Hmm.
just scroll downwards, maybe.
Yes. Okay. It doesn't have anything. Okay. What if it said DataWeave Utilities Library, target DataWeave docs? So is it here? No.
No,
Hmm.
but
Exchange
why?
Markdown. Hmm. So it published the portal pages and the draft pages, but then with the draft page
Publishing.
utilities, it failed.
Can you maybe
Huh.
go to the utilities from the VS Code?
So here?
Yeah, we don't see any errors, right? Or is there anything else that needs to be added? Just scroll down. There was an option to add. Or do we need to add documents for everything?
I don't think that should be a thing, but we can try. Okay. I wonder if. No, that should be good enough. Okay. Uh, Documentation.
Any suggestions from anyone? What we should be trying? We just have some time left.
Yes, we still have 7 minutes.
7 minutes.
Generate. Okay.
Cool.
Generated all that. Commit to main. Push. Okay. Sometimes I feel like I'm on like the Matrix or something when I see a bunch of letters going by.
Yeah.
It's like this, like those CSI kind of
Agents?
programs. Yeah, like they just have like a command line running over and over and over again, and you're like, what are you even doing? Are you
They
reading
just want to
logs?
scare us. Okay, I just hope it works.
Yes. Ah,
Ah,
come on. Just show me the error. Okay. Again, error while publishing draft page utilities.
utilities.
So that's just a name of this file. But why? I mean, we added the docs. Hmm.
Can you just go to the line which is it's showing downwards, the white one?
Oh,
Oh, sorry. Yeah,
here?
yeah. If you can see towards the right, scroll bar, something white.
Oh, here?
Hmm.
That's just where I have my cursor.
Yeah, and there are no errors as such. So we don't know what it's expecting. Maybe we can try some different files and we can see like if it's expecting some different file or if it is just with DataWeave file or it needs some different Maven command for DataWeave file. Um,
So, do you want me to try like the one in the tutorial?
mhm. Yeah,
Okay. DataWeave.
I think you froze, Alex.
Yes.
Okay, you're there.
I think
Sorry?
every time that I go into a tutorial, this is a custom module,
Yeah.
that I think it freezes when I go into a tutorial.
We should
Okay.
have tried for maybe one simple function and just see, let's do this.
Yeah. Should I change the name of the module
Uh,
or just leave it like that?
that should be fine. If this doesn't work, we can try with the text file or something simplified or let's see.
Okay.
We can try for different files actually. Because if this works for DataWeave file, it can also make it work for other utilities and stuff like for security stuff or like custom policies and basically everything. Whatever you want to publish on the page.
Yes. Let me also add the dogs just in case.
But I think it should have worked because it's not executing the data view or something. It's
Yeah.
just publishing it as a document. So there could be either an issue with the file that's because of the extension DataWeave, or like let's see.
Yeah, we can try.
Well, this is definitely a good experiment.
Hmm. Okay. Please work. Just have 2 minutes.
If it doesn't, it's okay. Maybe we can just
In the
deep
meantime,
dive into. Okay, yeah, that is important.
I
Alex, you
think
froze.
I think I'm hearing you after you speak. Oh,
Okay,
okay.
yeah, even we weren't able to hear you. I'm not sure if it is the same with others as well.
Okay. Do you want to give some announcements or something while I'm freezing?
Yeah, I mean, I won't miss that chance. So announcement we've already done related to the mentors program, the book, and the Dreamforce. So can share those links again.
Yeah, it failed again.
Yeah, what's the error?
Same.
I think let's try with the simple file like text or something like that, or maybe just XML file if that works.
Okay, there are
It
the
will work
links
with
again.
XML file. Okay, thank you.
Yes. We are out of time though, so
Hmm.
maybe we can try this later.
Yes.
Now this is gonna bug me. Like, what am I doing wrong? All right. I can also ask the DataWeave team to see if they have any idea what's happening here.
Yeah, if they have any plugins or something like that.
Yes.
Cool.
Alrighty.
It was
So
fun
that,
though.
yeah, I think I really like GitHub Actions because it's free mainly, but it's also very good to use.
Yeah. I've never explored, but I will definitely do after this.
Cool. Perfect. And it's also super fun that you just send stuff to your repo and it automatically gets reflected in any point platform.
Platform, yeah. All
Awesome.
right then.
All
So
right.
we'll see you on next Thursday.
Yes. See you next Thursday, same time, same
Same
day.
time. You're breaking again. That's okay. Yeah, anyways, dropping off. Bye.
Bye, everyone.